A public health crisis capturing a lot of attention prior to the pandemic is making major headlines again today.
The number of Americans who have died from a drug overdose in a one-year period has now reached six figures. There have been 100,000 deaths nationwide between April of 2020 and 2021. In Ohio, almost 5,600 overdose deaths happened during that time. That is up nearly 1,200 from the year before. News 5 anchor Mike Brookbank breaking down some of the contributing factors that led to this never-before-seen milestone.
Alyssa Garland.
She wanted to be a nurse.
Among the more than 100,000 Americans who died from a drug overdose between April 2020 and April of this year.
The overdose was April 26th, 2020.
We first introduced you to the Norton woman's family in February. Her mom, Elizabeth, told me prior to her death, the 26-year-old who just had a baby had been sober for a long time.
She was having to go for random drug testing.
Then the COVID-19 pandemic hit.
With the pandemic, they quit doing that for a while.
Health experts say drug users left socially isolated, unable to get treatment and support, is one of the top drivers in the surge of overdose deaths.
She knew that there was no possibility of her getting drug tested for a while.
Another major contributing factor, a more dangerous drug supply on the streets.
Fentanyl is really driving this new surge.
As we've been reporting, this new data confirms many people ODing are unknowingly ingesting fentanyl, which dealers are mixing with other drugs like meth and cocaine.
I would encourage anybody who's in this situation to access fentanyl test strips that are available so that you can test whatever it is you might be using.
Nationwide, the pandemic, along with these more potent drugs, leading to a 30% spike in overdose deaths in the 12 months of preliminary data just released. Here in Ohio, cases are up more than 26% year over year.
We're not one of the top 2 or 3 states in terms of increase from last year, but we're certainly in the top 10.
With the pandemic lingering, so does the perfect storm for those like Alyssa Garland, who struggled with addiction.
With the stress of the pandemic and just having the baby, she was a new mom. I think it just was just too much for her.
Reporting in Cleveland, Mike Brookbank, News 5.
A heartbreak so many families are dealing with. Taking a closer look now at Cuyahoga County, we are currently projected to reach and or exceed the number of OD deaths we saw in 2017, which now remains the highest on record. That year, 727 people died. Meantime, the staff on the front lines at Stella Maris is telling us ongoing stress from the pandemic, as well as people being exposed to substances their bodies are not used to, will continue to drive up overdose deaths in the county.
Unfortunately, we're hearing about people that are not just dying who are in active use, but long-term people in stable recovery that are relapsing and overdosing and dying because of the stressors associated with the pandemic.
In the U.S., drug overdose deaths now surpass those from car crashes, guns, the flu, and pneumonia.